Hello guys, it's Creative Conquest and today is the third part of our Photoshop course. So first open up Photoshop. Let's create a new document A4 size. So today we will be guessing about the smart guides and many other things. So to enable smart guides, go to the view panel and then go down, sorry, go down, then go to show, and in the show menu enable smart guides. The smart guides will help you a lot in working. So let's go to our main course. So today I will be telling you about how to you can import images into your Photoshop document and make a selection from the images and delete some selection. So first let's start off with the importing images. So to import images you need to copy image, or I will be guessing to discuss two ways of importing images. So first way is going to file, then file, go to place linked and place any image you want. For example, I place this one. Wait for it to place. Here is it, our image. Press enter and you will get our image. So this is our image. Another way of placing images is going to Google Chrome and searching for any image. Like example image, I choose this one, or like this one. Oh, this is copyright. Remember, do not select copyrighted images. Like I select this example image, right click it, click copy image. After copying your image, go to your Photoshop file and click just press Ctrl V and you will get your picture. So here is our two pictures by two methods. This is the first method. Oh, remember to change your font color according to your image. So this was our first method, and this is our second method. So these are the two methods for adding an image. So let's go to our selection method. So if you have an image and you want to remove certain area of the image away from the image, so here is our rectangular marquee tool. Click on it and click add to selection. This is the most coolest part of selection, and draw the rectangles to the part where you want to remove. These are the two areas I want to remove. Select your image and press delete key on your keyboard. Oh, this is a smart object. Remember to rasterize the layer before you can delete parts. So press delete and you will see that the unwanted areas are gone. But how to remove these marquee rectangles away? Just press Ctrl D and they will be gone forever. And here is our beautiful image cropped. And if you want to remove the background of an image, like you see this has a white background, so how you can remove it? Here is the most beautiful magic wand tool. Just select the image and click the unwanted area and press delete key on your keyboard, and remember, press Ctrl D after your selection has been done. Now you will see that these are removed the background, no white background. This is a easy way to remove background. So this was the easiest way of removing background. And Now I will be telling about the custom shape tool. If you first use the custom shape tool, you will only see some normal shapes. In 2021 it is a very common error. For this, for fixing it, you need to go to window, then go to the shapes, then shapes, click on it, and then click on the four lines right here and click on legacy shapes and more. After importing the legacy shapes and more, these are the arrow keys. Now here you will see many things like the house shapes, aircrafts, and many more things in the legacy shapes. All legacy default shapes are the other shapes. The shapes are the star, rectangles. So this is a crescent. I will be drawing it on Thanos face. Let's select the crescent. Okay. Or you can just go to the shape tool and go to legacy shapes and more. Go down, go to legacy default shape, and then go to shapes, and here you will select the crescent and draw one on Thanos face and resize it and draw it on Thanos face. So this was my today's video. I hope you liked it. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.